Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time, right? 3 to 4 days. I haven't posted any video on the channel. So thing is my health was not good, guys. I had a bit of cold and fever and I couldn't make any videos. But today I was feeling a bit better and I thought, chalo, let's get back to work. And this particular video is going to be like very interesting, super awesome, guys, because we have a brand new drone in the house. And this one is my new DJI Mini 2 drone. Now you might get a couple of questions like, Vimal, why did you go for the Mini 2 now? Because Mini 3 is already available in the market, right? See, let me tell you, I have a couple of reasons. First of all, this is not my drone, guys. This is a drone I bought for my uncle. Now you guys know how big of a drone fanatic I am, and I have like a huge drone collection. And looking at me, my uncle also got into this hobby and he wanted like a drone for fun purpose and for personal use. And I suggested, why not go for the Mini series? Main reason people are going for Mini series is these are like nano drones, guys, under 250 grams. And drones under 250 grams usually don't need registration, or you don't need like unique identification number, so they're like very convenient for beginners and amateurs. Again, though, you'll have to follow rules and regulations wherever you're flying, so you'll have to keep that in mind. So that was the number one reason. And second thing is, I initially suggested Mini 3 only because it's got like crazy good features, but thing is it's like brand new in the market, right? And especially in India, that Mini 3 drone was being sold for around like 1,10,000 rupees, guys. And if you go for the Pro edition with the built-in display in the RC, that was almost like 1,18,000 rupees. Spending that huge amount on a small drone, I was not that convinced, guys. It was going out of the budget. That's why I said, nay uncle, this is like more than enough for your purpose. It has like almost all the DJI features are there. 4K 30 FPS video, 3-axis gimbal for smooth video recording, all your quick shot DJI functions are available, and you'll be like quite happy with this, guys. And price also is like almost half, guys. That is 1,18,000 rupees. This I bought the Fly More combo edition. That means it's not the standard edition. With the drone you also get like 2 extra batteries, you get like triple charging station dock, and you also get like extra set of propellers, free bag. So much stuff is there. I'll show you all of that during the unboxing part. And this whole thing costed me around like 70,000 rupees, guys. Almost 45,000 you're saving. So that was the main reason why we went with the Mini 2. So that is pretty much it, guys. Now I'll quickly unbox and show you the contents of this package, and then we'll check out the drone and we'll also do a quick flight test and see how this thing performs. Let's get started. So boys, there you go, our brand new Mini 2 drone from DJI comes in this sort of box packaging, and as I've told you, we have the Fly More combo edition. That means this is not the standard edition. You get some extra accessories in this package which you don't get in the standard model. Anyways, I'll tell you all about that in this video. So best part about the Mini 2 is it's a nano sized drone, guys, ultra lightweight and portable, and comes under 250 gram category drone, guys. So you basically don't need registration and these sort of stuff. That is the reason a lot of people are actually going for the Mini series. And anyways, going to the back side, here you can see a complete picture of all the accessories that you get in the package, and that is pretty much it. Looks like there is nothing much mentioned on the box. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. I am like super excited to show you this drone in this video, guys. Can't wait to go out and fly it in the sky. Let me just quickly grab my knife and cut this out of packaging and show you what's inside. So as soon as you open the box, looks like we get a bag over here, guys. So in the Fly More combo, you also get a free carry case for the drone and the RC. And initial impressions, bag quality looks very good, guys. I like the color and also the finishing. You got the DJI branding, and looks like you got a couple of zips on it, guys. You can store lots of accessories, I believe. So without wasting any more time, let me finally unzip it and show you our first look at the drone. And ta-da! Oh boy, look at that. Looks like we've got lots of stuff on the inside, and I can already see the drone. Let me take it out. Oh my god, look at this, guys. The Mini 2 from DJI in the hand, and my god, look at the size. It is so tiny. Such a cute looking drone. Oh boy, guys, I'm like super excited. We'll just come back to the drone in a moment. And along with that, we also get a free RC in the package, guys. This is your remote control for the Mini 2. And there you go. This is how it looks like. Let me just take it out of this cover and show you a better look at the remote control. Wow, now that looks beautiful. And fun fact is, the RC is actually bigger in size than the drone. Anyways, we'll just come back to this also in a moment. Let me quickly show you the other stuff that we got in the back. So it looks like there's an accessory box over here. Wonder what's inside. So in the package, guys, you get a power adapter for charging the drone's batteries and the RC, a couple of cables for connecting your phones, and a Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. And this is your extra accessory that you get in the Fly More combo. You get like 2 spare batteries for the drone along along with the standard one included with the drone, and you also get like a triple pack charging dock, guys. You can charge all these batteries at the same time, which is like very convenient and super portable to carry all of them wherever you go. You also get some paperwork, just make sure to read this. And inside these tiny zippers, right, you also have some hidden stuff, do not miss it. You get like 3 sets of extra propellers in case something happens to your standard set, and you also get an extra pair of joysticks for the RC, screwdriver for replacing the propellers, and that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. So guys, now let's have our first look at the DJI Mini 2 drone and talk about the design and the build quality. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with like a propeller guard, propeller lock, whatever you can say. So thing is, now whenever you're carrying the drone in the bag, you don't want the propellers to be loose and flying all around, right? You don't want to damage them. That is the reason DJI has included that. Very good move, DJI. And look at the size, guys. This is what I'm talking about. It is so small, guys. The name definitely justifies the size, hence it's called as Mini Generation 2. And also I have to say, it's only around 249 grams. That is like insane. So what I'll do is I'll quickly remove all of these stickers on the propellers and basically on the body, and then we'll get like a better look at the drone, right? And by the way, the drone is right now in its folded mode, and you basically need to unfold all of its arms before you can actually fly and basically power it on. So talking about unfolding the arms, this is how you can do that. Very simple. You just need to pull out the front 2 arms first and then twist out the bottom 2 arms just like this, and there you go. Now your drone is all in its full-fledged unfolded mode, ready to take off once you pair it with the RC. So on the front side, this is where you've got all the sensors and basically your gimbal, camera and all of that, guys. Let me just remove the sticker, take off the gimbal protector cover, and then you'll get like a better look at the gimbal and the camera. And let me tell you, on the Mini 2, the camera and the gimbal has been like greatly upgraded compared to the previous Mini Gen 1. I even made like a video on the Mini Gen 1, guys. You can find it on my channel. Now you're getting like a 3-axis gimbal on board, and that too comes with like a 12 megapixel CMOS sensor, guys, and can shoot videos in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, or it can even do 2.7K 60, 1080p 60, all of these are there. So on the body on the left, you can see it says ultra lightweight category nano drone, only 249 grams, and you got like a couple of sensors over here. We'll talk about all of that at a later part, guys. And on the front, you can even observe there's a tiny status LED indicator as well. Overall build quality does look pretty nice, guys. Looks like polycarbonate material only. And this one is your power button and has some adjacent battery status level indicators. And you also have like hovering system detection on the bottom, guys. 2 sensors for downward sensing. And at the back is where you got the battery compartment. This is how you can access it. Basically, you just need to lift it like this, and then you can access the battery. So in the Fly More combo, one battery is like already installed in the drone. I don't know if it's charged or not. And other 2 batteries are in your charging dock, guys. So you get a total of 3 batteries on board. And talking about batteries, each of these batteries are like 2250 milliampere lithium polymer batteries and offer up to 31 minutes of flight time. So combined, you can expect around like 90-95 minutes of flight time, guys. That is like awesome. And just below the battery, you can observe that it's got a micro SD card slot and a Type-C port for directly charging the drone, or maybe use it for transferring data. Drone has quite an aerodynamic design, guys, and also has like 5-level wind assistant. We'll have to see how this thing performs in outdoors. I'm like super excited about that. Again, don't be confused by its small size. This thing can actually fly really fast. It can go almost up to like 16 meter per second speed in the sport mode, and along with that, there's also a dedicated cine mode if you want to shoot like super stable video using that 3-axis gimbal. And this thing also has like a 10-kilometer video transmission system with OcuSync 2.0. So that was about the drone's complete design and overview. And here's how our brand new RC looks like. So in this RC, you don't have like a display compared to your regular Mavic series, because this is like more affordable and beginner friendly, right? You need to connect your phone over here in this stand and install a DJI app. That is how you can completely get the video transmission feed on your phone. So you got a couple of buttons over here. On the front side, you've got like joystick holders, and joysticks are built in on the bottom side only. You've got like dedicated holders as well. Just take them out. You just need to screw them in the joystick holders just like this, and there you go. Your RC is also completely ready to pair with your drone. So you've got the DJI branding at the center, a couple of buttons which include a power button to the right side, a mode switch button at the center. Basically, you've got like normal mode, cine mode and sport mode you can use depending on the requirement. And left one is your return to home function, guys. Basically, all of these DJI drones have GPS plus GLONASS and all of these satellite navigation system, right? So that will be definitely there. And you also have like some custom functions available as well to the top left and right, and some battery status LED indicators below that. At the top side here, you can observe your phone holder. You got two custom buttons, one for video record or maybe shutter click button, and the left one is your gimbal control button, guys. So you can even assign your own functions using the app. And on the bottom, you got a Type-C port for charging this RC. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the RC as well. And what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the drone, install DJI's app, I'll pair them, and then we'll go outdoors and have our first flight test and see how this thing looks like. Okay, now that was pretty cool, guys. I did not expect this mini little drone to actually shoot such a good footage. You guys saw the video sample, right? 3-axis gimbal was like super stable, even in midair, guys, almost like 45 feet above my terrace. And video quality was also like really good, guys. 4K 30 FPS video I was shooting. And you know, this is just like an initial impressions, guys. There is still so much I have to find out on this drone. I'll be using this model for a couple of days, guys, and I'll be shooting videos in different scenarios, different lighting situations, and also I'll travel to some good locations, so you people will actually enjoy the review. So in the review video, we'll be talking in depth about the gimbal quality, how's the video quality, and I'll also see, you know, how's the low light performance as well. And apart from that, we'll have to see how's the battery life as well. Brand says that per battery you can expect around like 30 to 31 minutes, but we'll have to see in reality how much it'll fly. Now during my initial test flight, I got around like 26 minutes, again because there was a lot of wind blowing, right? So external factors can also affect battery life, so this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Apart from these, if you people also have like any other questions that you'd like to know about this drone, for example, if you want to know about DJI's built-in app features and those sort of stuff, now for this particular Mini 2, I will definitely try to cover them as well in the review video. Just let me know in the comment section. And actually, after looking at the Mini 2 now, I'm like quite interested in the Mini 3, guys. Imagine if Mini 2 is only like this, what can I expect from Mini 3? Mini 3 actually has like 4K 60 FPS video, and it also has like obstacle avoidance, ADAS 4.0 is also there, and whole lot of next level stuff. Now if this video gets like at least 1,000 likes, I will spend money from my pocket money, guys, and I'll get that Mini 3. So make sure to smash that like button on this video and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know about this drone. And talking about the pricing, I've already told you, right? Fly More combo, I got it for around like 70,000 rupees in India, and I'll try to leave link in the description box below. You can basically get it anywhere, guys. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one.